It's one of the most disturbing cases investigators in McKean County, Pennsylvania have ever seen. Tonight, a Bradford man faced a judge on charges of drowning a woman and her 3-week-old baby. News 4's Tricia Cruz reports.
Wade Nolf could face the death penalty if he's convicted of a crime he admits to in a criminal complaint. On Wednesday, he was in court for a preliminary hearing in Bradford, Pennsylvania.
Anytime that you have the murder of a young mother and a young infant like that, it's especially difficult. But this is probably one of the worst crimes I've seen.
The victims are 24-year-old Tanya Hyde and her daughter Tamara, who was 3 weeks old. Nolf lived in a home with Tanya, her husband, and a few other adults. At first, he told police he thought Hyde had a seizure and fell into the tub. When a police officer arrived at the scene on March 19th, he found the baby on a dryer in the kitchen. Tanya was still in the bathtub. But investigators would soon hear another story when Nolf was interviewed for a second time. He told police he got angry with Tanya and pushed her in the bathtub. The mother was holding her baby. Nolf then turned on the water, and while the mother still held onto her baby girl, he held her mother's head underwater.
We have no indication that drugs were involved in this.
It's a horrifying crime for residents who live here. There had not been any murders in Bradford for 7 years, until last September when a man was charged with killing a pregnant woman.
You live in a small town and you don't really expect things like that.
Wade Nolf is in jail without bail. He is charged with 2 counts of criminal homicide before his next court appearance in July. The DA must determine whether he'll seek the death penalty. Live in the newsroom, Tricia Cruz, News 4 at 11.